You know that weird feeling when you're doing everything right? Eating clean, drinking water, taking your probiotics, and yet you still feel bloated, tired, or just off. That was me for years. But after trying one simple change, taking Debloat Gummies, I finally started feeling lighter, calmer, and actually comfortable in my own body again. And no, this isn't some detox gimmick. This is about gut balance that actually lasts. I've tried all the gut fixes: restrictive diets, increasing my fiber intake, taking probiotics that didn't work, even detox teas. Some helped for a few days, but the bloating always came back. So I did some further research online and, while searching for natural fixes, found Debloat Gummies. I decided to test the gummies myself for 1 week to see if the reviews were hype or real. And honestly, I was surprised. Let's be real. Gut issues makes everything feel off. Your mood, your skin, your confidence, even your energy. And the worst part, you feel like you're doing everything right, but your body, it has a mind of its own. That's what I call the I feel off problem. It's not pain exactly. It's that heavy, sluggish, always bloated feeling that quietly drains you. These gummies fit easily into my daily routine, and they gave me relief fast, without the need for another harsh detox. What stood out were 3 things: natural ingredients, real reviews from actual people, and not only did they taste good, but they also worked really fast. After the 7-day test, here's what happened. Day 1 and 2, not much change. Honestly, I thought, here we go again. By day 3 or 4, I noticed I wasn't waking up bloated anymore. My jeans fit better, my stomach felt flatter. By day 7, my digestion felt calm, easy, and balanced. No pain, no tightness, no weird side effects. It wasn't some overnight miracle. It was more like my body slowly relaxing back into balance. The reason these gummies seems to work is simple. It targets digestion from the inside out. Instead of forcing a cleanse, it helps your gut rebalance itself. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your digestive system, so food processes smoother, bloating fades, and your body feels lighter again. When I looked at the reviews, the pattern was clear. People who gave it at least a week saw real results. They loved the taste. It felt like a self-care treat, not medicine. The only complaints came from those who stopped too early or didn't like the flavor. So the key is consistency. Take it daily, give it a week, and let your gut adjust. But the real change wasn't just physical. It was that I felt like myself again, light, confident, calm in my body. No more skipping plans or wearing baggy clothes because I felt bloated. Just ease. And that's what most of us really want. Not perfection, but peace. So if you've been feeling off lately, tired, bloated, or just not like yourself, try HeyRemi Debloat Gummies for a week. I'll drop the Amazon link below. And remember, this isn't about chasing trends or detoxes. It's about helping your body do what it's meant to do. Feel good naturally. Because when your gut feels good, everything else just flows better.